Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily turn off your location on Instagram app. That's quite simple, interesting and easy. So make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all, you will have to open up the settings of your iPhone and then scroll down all the way until you find Instagram app. Now once you have found Instagram, tap on Instagram, and basically you will find a lot of different options on this page like notifications, camera, microphone, photos, but you'll have to tap on location, that is on the top. And right on this page you can select never, and you'll be not be able to share your location on Instagram, and Instagram will not be able to track your location or something like that. So that's how you can easily turn off your location on Instagram on your iPhone. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section.